We're fat testing an entire city today, Boston. But first, I have to learn their public transportation system, which honestly is the easiest one I have ever been to in the world. To be fair, I think I've tried like 4. Took that down to the Science Center, which is what everybody told me is a must-do, and they were right. Saw some animals, watched this IMAX. It was about dogs, so it was cute. But I have to say, this Animal Kingdom 4D experience was actually much better. I checked out several other exhibits, including their new one on perception. Of course, my favorite was all about the science of parks, and then went to see the Tesla coil show. I could have spent a lot of time here, but I have a whole historic city to see. One of the best ways to do this was on the hop-on, hop-off bus, which I got through my Go City Pass. I purchased a 3 extraction pass. This was not sponsored, though I have worked with them in the past, and the affiliate link is down below if you'd like to check them out. I use it in many different cities. Unfortunately, there was no actual hopping on or off the bus. Well, there was just hopping on and hopping off once because I got there pretty late and just had to do the entire route and tour that way. It was informative, but not very deep. I did enjoy it. It would have been better if I could have got off at the different locations to explore, but time management. I did enjoy the cheesy jokes, though.
The second president and John Adams had a son, John Quincy Adams, who was the 6th president. So there was a father and son pair of presidents.
We've seen it by land, now let's see it by sea. This is the historic harbor cruise. No tea was lost this time, but we did get to see where some pirates did meet their end. The 90-minute tour gave us a great overview of the history of Boston and this historic economic center. Because I happened to take this on July 4th, the Cunard's Queen Mary II, the last ocean liner, was also there, and I got to see it. It's one of the dream trips for me. Maybe next time I make it to Boston, I'll actually take a helicopter tour and see it by land, sea, and air. Boston's Irish population is second only to Ireland. So I had to go try a Boston Irish pub, and I ended up going to Emmett's, where I ordered the Taste of Ireland. It's a trio of house favorites: beef and Guinness pie, chicken pot pie, shepherd's pie, a lot of pie, and I enjoyed every bite of it. All of that was delicious. It needed some pepper, but once I had that, it was perfectly great, and it was about $24 plus tax and tip, and so I have a lot of leftovers, because it was a lot of food and very heavy. So I don't know if I recommend it if you've been out walking all day. I think it's a great dinner if you're taking an easy day, more of a restful day. But if you've been out working all day, walking all day, I don't know if you want something that heavy. At least not what I had. You might want to get something else. But really enjoyed it. Thanks, Emmett. This is one of the original transit stations from 1889.